Hi guys, so this is the part 2 that I lost the chart. So I think I'm gonna restart. Oh my god guys, I was so tired man. Did you take it now? No, I didn't take your box. I mean, that you deliver. Okay then. Oh, I mean, hey little guy. Yes. Did you take my box? No, I didn't. Oh, okay then. Let's go to other person that maybe they take it. Oh, where's the school bus? Hey, wait for me, bro. Can I go? Maybe. Okay, there's no more? Okay, I'm gonna take this. Hey, what? Hey, little girl. Hey, I mean little boy. Huh? What's it? Did you take my box? No, I didn't. Okay, then go to school. Oh my god, it's scary. Hey little girl, did you take my box? No, I haven't. I've been a nice girl in the so long. Been so long. Oh, okay then. Go to school. What is it, ma'am? Did you take my box? Box? I didn't take it. I didn't take your box. I didn't take your box, ma'am. Okay then. Go to school. Wait, where am I? Bro. Yeah, go to school. Go to school now. Go to school. Go to school. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey yo. Whoa, this is so nice. Can we go now? 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 Can we go? Let's go. 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 Oh, here. Where's the dry? Oh, there's one. Whoa, is that pool? Oh, yeah. Oh, there, guys, did you know, guys, there's a secret in this balloon? You need to pop it like that, and like that. Oh, there's more. Oh my god, this secret is real, so real. Hi, little girl, can I? Okay, hi, little girl, can I order your lemonade? Sure. Let's get lemonade. Oh my god, I can't. Let's get lemonade. Oh, why did it turn that? Why can you get? Oh my god, I'm not gonna. Why is your name not gonna come? But I don't know. No. There's more lemon. There's more lemon. I'll put it back. Okay. Bro, can I go now? Where am I? Why is it disappearing? Oh my god, let me just go back and buy it. I'm just getting more again. I think there's no more. I think there's no more now, guys. No. Let's see, guys. Oh. There's more. Why is there more? There's no more. Oh my god. I'm gonna get this. Oh my god, there's the rainbow one. Okay. I like the rainbow one. The rainbow lights. I think the purple one. Oh, I forgot to get this one again. And this one, 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 and this one. I'm just saying. Oh my god. Guys, can you comment down below what grade are you in this video? Please. I'm not lying. I told you, I'm not lying. It's just the label. Is there more? I'm just gonna deliver it again. It's not done yet. That's done. Is it delivered now? Maybe. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Oh, there's it. So what song should I don't know, guys. Let's. Oh, here's it. Yay, my delivery. Never mind. Get it, bro. So here's my house. Can I go in? I just go in. And then, I did it in my house. Let's go in. Oh, why am I? Let's go. Now why is it? Oh, it's 7. So we're here. Hey, one. Oh my god. Go up. Let's go up, up, up. Let's go up. Let's go up. We're here at it's a minute. Not this one. Not this one. What? I didn't order this. What happened to me? Now this one.
Today we're going to explore the most unique abandoned village dito sa Taiwan, ang UFO abandoned village.
There's a new video this morning that some say may be proof we're not alone in the universe. A UFO in the form of a bright light is seen descending over the dome of the rock in Jerusalem.
What Michelle did not expect to see was a cylinder-shaped object near LaGuardia Airport.
Imagine finally being able to get onto a commercial flight, looking out your window, and seeing this. This happened. The passenger on the plane looks out the window, grabs the phone. This was filmed in June.
They start building this village
So yesterday
Finnish architect
I just copied my
Ang design
space.
ito ay futuristic.
My
Ang sinadya sa kaiba para maka-attract ng mga buyers.
Just my
Ang
sister
mga
tried
bahay ay
best
gawa
friend
sa
or
lightweight
something.
fiberglass.
Oh,
Reinforced
boy.
plastic para mas magaan at para rin mapanatili ang bahay na war. Kada bahay ay may sukat ng 50 meters. Kaya sa loob, kumpleto. May living room, kitchen, dining room at lahat na makikita mo sa bahay, kumpleto rito. Design din ito na nakastand. Tapos gusto ng owner na ilipat ng kanyang bahay sa mas magandang scenery na mas madali ito na may lilipat. But unfortunately, due to the volatility of the global economy, hindi pa natatapos ang buong plano. Ang bahay pa lang ang nagagawa, pinapilitan nila ito ipatigil. Dahil sa uncertainty oil prices, sobrang tumaas ang presyo ng plastic at langis. Hindi nila kinaya ang presyo ng pagtaas nito dahil pati ang pag-transport ay nagmahal rin. At kung iisipin mo, napakaganda sana ng plano dito. Napaka-futuristic ng design, dahil ekonomiya ang kalaban. Wala silang magawa kundi isigil at ang napakagandang plano ay naiiwan na ditong sira-sira. Ngayon na i-abandonado. Maaga kang umalis dahil excited akong makita ang mga to. Imagine 1960 may ideas na sila about aliens, pero magpasa hanggang ngayon hindi malaman kung existing ba talaga. Kaya mas curious ako. Or it's on the way, pero itong abandoned na building. Mukha siyang castle pero hindi ko alam yung history. So ito na ang malapit na hindi ko nakikita. Ito na yung abandoned houses.
Oh, this is the line mother. So where's it now? Oh, this is the
Ano mo what happened, kaya papasukin natin yung ilan. Or guys, so nandito na kami. Explore na natin to.
oh my god. Good. Oh my. I wish
Sobrang dami.
maybe I'll put it. Where should I put the curtain? Ah, I have an idea. I'm gonna put it here. But there's a curtain.
Tapos pati yung mga maliit na bangka, abandonado na rin. At halatang hindi na siya nagagamit ng matagal ng panahon. So right here, silipin natin kung anong meron sa loob nito.
Okay.
Agad ba meron sa loob niya? Dito ba lahat sa loob ng mga gamit? Dito ba yung mga mga bangkuan? May washing machine pa.
So
May mga little houses na. Sinubukan kong pasukin yung loob. And what I found is very interesting. Meron pa dito dito. Natirahan to.
so let's go here.
Sa loob ng bahay na to ay meron pang generator. Mga gamit at kalat, may laman din yung bathroom at isang kamang nabubulok. Pansin ko lang ang ganda ng view niya.
Can I put
Kasi
here?
dito, maagat na. Sinubukan ko rin umakyat sa taas. Hindi ko na nakita ang mga UFO houses. Halos lahat ng UFO house nasa talaga. Bigla akong hindi ko makita ang patay. Mubang na ako dahil malawak pa ang i-explore
I
natin.
think that's perfect.
Ito naman yung design nito, yung bahay na ng UFO, kaya kayo ano pa ng bahay. Yung UFO niya, may cover pa. Gusto ko rin sana pumasok sa isa sa mga
Okay,
UFO.
maybe that's perfect. But that's all my stuff. And I don't know, maybe my toy. That's my toy. Oh my god, why is this?
UFO.
Why is this?
Lang ang problema sa
Why can't? So this was. I'm gonna put this. Wow, but why is this so cute? Oh, what? Why is this so cute? So I have a vlog that my family. So I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Yeah, I'm not lying. Wait. I'm not crying. Wait. So I'm gonna get this stuff. So I don't think I can do this. But there's a one and I love this. So I don't know. Wait a minute. So let's go here.
Paano ko sumabot to? So, since malapit sa beach, yung mga tao pumunta na dito para maligo talaga.
We're here, guys. So this was the result. So this was the result. I'll show you it. Look at this one. So this is the result, guys. So this is the end. So bye, guys. Bye bye. Love you so much.